Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Roblox missing chat button. So to do that, I'm going to walk you through different methods at which you can use to fix the Roblox missing chat button. So first method is to enable the chat featuring in settings. So to do that, open the Roblox, then make sure you are signed in, then tap the three dot menu at the bottom right corner. Then go to the settings and click on privacy. Then under who can chat with me and who can message me, set it to everyone, friends, or your preferred option. Then save the changes and restart. Then on method 2, which is second method, you can simply enable in-game chat. So to do that, join any game on Roblox, then tap the three dot menu, which is the three dots icon in the game, then go to settings, then ensure chat or chat mode is set to enable. Then the third method is to check account age. So if your account is under 13 years old, chat features might be restricted for safety. Then check your age. Then so for you to do that, check your age in settings, then click on account info, then if possible update the age to 13 plus with a parental consent. Then the fourth method is to update the Roblox app. So to do that, go to the App Store for iPhone, then for Android, go to your Google Store, then search for Roblox, then tap on update if there's any available update. Then on the fifth method is to clear caches on Android, which is for Android user. So just go to your settings, click on app, then click on Roblox, then tap the storage, then clear caches, then tap on caches, then clear the cache, then restart the app. And also you can also reinstall the Roblox, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox app from the App Store or Google Play Store, and make sure you remember your login details before reinstalling. And that's a simple way or a simple guide on how to fix Roblox missing chat button. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.